Welcome back, everyone. We're going to check out this new product by ULiXWH. It is their 21-watt folding solar panel. It has USB-A and USB-C capabilities, a 23% conversion rate. It's IP67 waterproof. It's a monocrystalline solar panel. It's not too bad in size. It measures about 7 inches tall by 9 inches wide. Unfolded is 27 inches and a half by 8.9, and it weighs about 1.3 pounds. You can basically charge any USB device off of it, A or C. So it should charge an iPhone 12 in about an hour and a half, a Samsung Galaxy S22 in 2.5 hours, an iPad Pro in about 4 hours, and a Canon camera in about 1.3 hours. It's an ETF solar panel. It's smart chip technology. Other than that, it's just a foldable, portable power system. Basically, emergency power, essentially. It has a BMS in there, so you just basically hook it up and go. So we'll open it up and show you. This is the back side. It's a portable solar panel, SP21, 21 watts. It's 5 volts at 3 amps. For both USB-A and C. There's your connectors there, USB-C on the left, USB-A on the right. Alright, there it is unfolded. You get a USB-A to USB-C, and you get 4 of these clips. And there's the panel. It feels good. It's nice and hard. It looks waterproof. This is like a rubberized cloth material almost. And 3 solar panels. We're going to take it outside, and we are going to try and charge this iPhone 12 here. And as you see, it's only got 7%. All right, we're testing this ULiXWH solar panel. It's got 21 watts, 2 amps coming in, and we have it sitting out there in the sunlight, as you can see. And we'll leave it out there for an hour and a half, like it says, and see if it charges up. Alright, we're going to take a look at how this has been charging. It's been about an hour and 21 minutes, as you can see. 1.6 amps in. If you see the graph, the oscilloscope there, you got some dips in power. That was clouds. There were some clouds that rolled through. So we were expecting 100% in an hour and a half. We got about 8 minutes left. So we'll check the voltage or the battery life over there and see what we got. It's been an hour and about 22 minutes. And as you can see there, 78, let me see. Yeah, 78%. So it's doing good. This solar panel did amazing. It charged it even with clouds in just under 2 hours. Absolutely amazing panel.